What's good, everybody on YouTube? This is your boy Akil McLeod, and I'm a full-time eBay and Poshmark seller. And this is my beautiful fiance Dominique. You want to introduce yourself to the people again?
People, my name is Dominique, and I'm the fiance of a full-time eBay and Poshmark seller.
So in today's video, we're going to share some of our favorite thrift store pickups from 2018. And trust me, this year we picked up a ton of stuff for ourselves, which we probably could have flipped for some good money. But of course, we like to dress nice and have nice things, so we kept a lot of the clothes that we ended up finding. So if you guys are interested in these kind of videos, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. And without further ado, let's just get right into it.
Okay, well first, I have this jacket that I found up in, I believe we're up in San Jose, California. It was about $3 for this jacket, and when I seen it, I instantly knew I had to pick it up. It was just quality. It's made in Thailand, so the size is a 6, but it's a little smaller than that, but I still squeezed myself into it because it's so pretty. And this is Focus 2000 is the brand, but like I said, the quality in this, the detail in this jacket, I literally had to buy it. Paid about $3 for this jacket, and this is definitely one of my favorites. Thankfully, it's just now starting to get cool enough for me to actually wear a jacket, so I'm actually pretty happy about it because it was just sitting in the closet for a while. And I thought about selling it or whatever, but I realized once I was able to finally put it on, I needed to keep it. So this is definitely one of my favorite finds of 2018.
Next up is this shearling coat that I picked up from a thrift store. I believe I spent maybe $9 or $10 for this jacket. This is definitely not the time to be wearing this. It's not that cold out here yet. But we took this when we went to Napa a couple months ago. Well,
weeks.
Yeah, a couple weeks ago, not even a month. This was definitely like the perfect type of jacket for that weather because it was super cold out there. This brand is Sawyer of Napa. And if you see this in the thrift store, definitely pick it up because these coats sell anywhere between $250 and $300. But I originally intended on selling it, but I really do like the coat and it's super warm. So anytime I go to New York for vacations or anything like that, I'll definitely be taking this one with me.
The next up is this dress, and I picked this up at a thrift store, maybe up in San Jose, California. I don't really remember exactly where it was, but I spent, I think, $8 for this dress, and I absolutely love it. And I remember saying to myself, this will definitely be the dress that I want to get engaged in. And he knew that, but of course he couldn't tell me to bring the dress on our engagement trip. So instead I wore it for our engagement photo shoot, and the photos came out amazing. And this dress is just vintage and literally quality. Again, the details in this dress is like amazing. I don't know what the brand is or what year it was from, but you can tell whoever had this hanging up in their closet definitely took good care of it over the years, and I will continue to take good care of it because this dress is very special to me now, and I really, really do like it. So who knows when I'll wear it again, but it served its purpose for now.
Next up, I got a suit that I picked up while we were in Vegas for a conference. And when I first picked up this suit, I could not fit it at all. It was definitely like 2 or 3 sizes way too small. But like I said, once I first started reselling, I gained a bunch of weight because I was just sitting at home all the time and not really being active. But thankfully, since I incorporated going to the gym into my daily schedule every day, I lost a ton of weight, about 25 pounds. And now this suit fits like it was made just for me. So it even had the person's name in it, so it was definitely like a custom made suit. Thank you to William McCoy for donating these 2 suits for me, because now I don't even need to purchase any more suits, any more summer related suits. And like I said, just super dope suit, really, really good condition. And I mean, custom made suits for, what is it, 15 bucks for both of them? Wait till you see the next one, because the other one was even better than this.
Last but not least, I have this 2-piece suit from Jones, New York. Again, I used to wear, you know, dress up for work all the time before they changed our policy, and now we have to wear a uniform. But before that, I used to wear this all the time. It's more like a winter fabric with the lining on the inside, and it would be perfect for the mornings out in California. By afternoon, I would kind of sweat quite a bit, but it was worth it because this suit is really nice. So the vest and just the high-waisted pants. Again, I do go for more unique vintage pieces if I'm going to keep them for myself, because I really, really do enjoy them. The detail in this suit is absolutely amazing. The color, everything. Like, if I could have built this suit for myself, I think this is exactly how I would have built it all over again. So I love this suit. Again, another great find in 2018, and it was about, I think it was about $4 that day. It was a half off day, so super cheap. Super happy with this one.
And last but certainly not least is this other custom suit from the same person, William McCoy, and I paid $15 for this suit as well because it was the half off day at the Goodwill in Las Vegas. And like I said, this one fits even better than the other blue suit, and I actually like this one a little more because the details is super subtle. It's actually like it's a window pane, but you can't really tell that it's two different color blues unless you really get up close. So
nobody better be that close.
So this suit is definitely one of my favorites for the year. Very good condition, just like the other one. It probably was never worn. So thank you again to William McCoy for donating these suits, because now they're mine, and I definitely won't be selling these or letting them go anytime soon, because I could actually fit them now. Alright y'all, that's all I have for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed that one, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you want us to keep this series going, definitely drop that in the comment section, and we could do this maybe once a week or something like that, because trust me, we got tons of clothes that we could keep sharing. And I'm pretty sure it could help you guys with sourcing too, because a lot of the stuff we find is kind of high end. So definitely just drop it in the comment section and let us know. And you got anything you want to say to the people?
Yeah, closets are pretty big, people. So if you want to see more videos like this, definitely let us know. If you want me in more videos, let me know. I missed y'all. I missed y'all. How y'all doing?
Alright y'all, so that's all we got for today, and we see you in the next one. Peace.